So, hi dear Sagittarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal Osho Zen weekly tarot reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 12th to the 18th of August. I'm going to pull one card for each day for you guys, and then I'm going to you can take it as messages or guidance or warnings, whatever you feel like. And I highly recommend you to check this video one every day on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that, so that you can understand the energies, or so that you can resonate, and you can let me know if it is resonating with you, or after the week you can check out for each day. Okay, so that we can keep it going. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box, and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, Sagis. Okay, let's start. Let's start, Sagis, for each day. But is going to be a message, or what we have? Warnings or just simple plain guidance? Okay, let's see. For 12th of August, we have the adventure. Okay, so I think take baby steps towards something or someone. You might be heading towards something totally new, or or you might be heading towards something totally different that you haven't done till now at this point, till this point of your life. So take like baby steps towards that. Go in that direction with faith, with full faith. Either you are going to get a lesson or blessing. It doesn't matter, because everything in our life is going to change our life for the best of our life. Okay, for our best version comes out of that. But you're going to go on some kind of adventure, or you are going to try something new, or you're going to try something different. And don't be scared, don't be afraid that it might end up like this, and like that. Have full faith in the universe and go in that direction with like a childlike innocence, and have full faith. Okay, but take baby steps. Okay, don't jump like that, just like that. Okay, on the 13th we have the friendliness. Okay, I do see two energies coming together. I don't see it's a romantic energy, although one of you might try to make it a romantic kind of a deal. But I do see there will be friendliness. There will be this energy of I understand you, you understand me. This is not going to convert into a romantic situation, or even if it is a romantic situation, it's going to convert into a friendship kind of a deal, where both of you are going to understand each other well. This is going to go beyond that illusion of uh, romantic love or sexual love or something like that. It's going to convert into a friendliness kind of energy of, okay, let's be friends, let's understand each other, and let's find some let's vibe with good energies or good kind of deals, good kind of things, right? Like that. I do see friendliness between two people, two energies, and being in this energy of understanding, you finding that kind of energy, or you finding yourself vibing with those kind of energies. Okay, we have 12, 13, 14. 14, we have the existence. On the 14th of August, you're going to find yourself a little bit in this energy of detachment from other people, other situations. You will be looking at the stars, you will be wishing for something, you will be hoping for something to come and show in your 3D world. You are going to be in this energy of universe, please help me to get this particular thing. But you are going to be all by yourself. You are going to be all in this energy of the whole universe is with me, the whole energies are with me, the god is with me, whatever you believe in. And you're going to believe in existence, or you should believe in existence more than anything else or anyone else. And be your true self, be your honest self, be totally true and totally honest. Don't try to change yourself, or don't try to fake your personality, or don't try to fake your anything just to fit in the box, or just to fit into someone's life or someone's lifestyle or something like that. Because the moment you're going to be fake, the moment you're going to be in this energy of not being honest with yourself, that is the exact moment that everything is going to go in the opposite direction, in the negative way for you guys. Okay, just be yourself, and everything that's meant for you, everything that is good for you will come to you. Just be yourself, and be one with the existence. 12, 13, 14, 15th. 15th is the ordinariness. Yeah. Okay, on 15th of August, you will be doing your daily chorus, and you will be working on yourself, you will be taking care of yourself, you will be just doing ordinary things and finding yourself comfortable in that only. Or you are going to find yourself doing things that doesn't make you that happy on a day-to-day basis, but at on that particular day you're going to find yourself very much at peace with those energies, very much in this energy of, okay, this is something ordinary but this is making me happy. Or try to do something ordinary, okay, just some kind of ordinary thing to keep yourself distracted from something that is bothering you in some way, shape or form. I don't know, but this is some kind of energy of you finding some comfort, some happiness, some peace in doing ordinary things. Okay. 12, 13, 14, 15. Now on 16th of August we have the rebirth. On 16th of August you are going to finally find yourself in this energy of, okay, I have to get out of some kind of old conditioning, old ways of living, old ways of thinking. Finally you are going to balance your softer side and the side that is very very what we call that, fierce, very fiery, very passionate. You will be in this energy of having a rebirth. You are going to suddenly, out of the blue, you are going to feel like you are not the same person as you used to be, or you're never going to be the same person as you used to be. Something in you is changing and shifting big 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 time. Okay, it's like a rebirth for you guys on the 16th of August. It's not like just on 16th of August, it's a continuous process, but on 16th of August you are going to feel totally different kind of a person or totally different kind of personality. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, yeah. 17th we have the abundance for, so you are going to get some kind of abundance, prosperity, some kind of name, fame, some kind of reward, some kind of job offer, career offer, or some kind of money or some kind of sudden wealth from somewhere. Okay, and for some of you it is possible to have abundance mindset. If you are living in some kind of lack mindset, that I am lacking this, I'm lacking that, and this is not working out for me, I will never be able to get this kind of energy of abundance or prosperity or happiness or something like that. It's all about you living in the lack mindset. The moment you are going to find yourself in an abundance kind of mindset, abundance will start flowing in your life. Okay, for the 18th of August we have the miser. Okay, I think on the 18th of August you are going to be in this energy of, this is mine, this is something that belongs to me only. You are going to be in this energy of holding on to something or someone very tightly and feeling miserable about that, not even feeling happy about that. The moment you're going to let go of this energy of, this is mine, or this is something that belongs to me only, or this should be with me only, or that should be with me only, then that is the exact moment that you will be able to find yourself in a peaceful and comfortable position, like, okay, I have to let go of certain things or people or situation and not be miserable about it. Yeah. So this is what I have for you for this week. Hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sajis. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.